The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado emergency for central Madison County in north-central Alabama until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a tornado near Madison, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. A tornado has been confirmed on the ground near TRIANA and Highway 72. Locations near the path of this tornado include Huntsville, MERIDIANVILLE, Moores Mill. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northern Alabama and central Tennessee.